In today's video, I am going to teach you how to sum a column in Excel. This is a quick and useful Excel skill that can save you time, especially when you are working with budgets, lists of sales, expenses, or any set of numbers arranged in a single column. Excel has a built-in shortcut that makes adding a full column very easy, and once you learn it, you will be able to use it again and again. Begin by finding the column of numbers that you want to add together. Scroll if needed, and look at the cell directly underneath the last number in that column. This should be an empty cell because Excel will place the total there. Click that empty cell once so it is selected. This part matters because Excel needs to know where you want the final sum to appear. After that, go to your keyboard and press the Alt key and the equals key at the same time. This keyboard shortcut tells Excel to insert the autosum formula for the numbers above the selected cell. In most cases, Excel will automatically detect the group of numbers in that column and highlight the range it plans to add. This is helpful because it lets you quickly confirm that the correct cells are being included in the total. Once you see that the correct range is selected, press Enter. Excel will then complete the formula and display the total in the empty cell you selected. That is the full process. You click the empty cell below the numbers, use Alt and equals, and then press Enter to get the sum. If the total appears right away, that means everything worked correctly. If Excel highlights a range that does not look right, make sure there are no blank cells breaking up the list of numbers above. The shortcut works best when your values are grouped together in one continuous column. This method is one of the fastest ways to total numbers in Excel, and it is great for beginners because you do not need to type the formula yourself. Excel does most of the work for you, which helps reduce mistakes and speeds up your workflow. Practice it once or twice, and it will quickly become part of your normal routine whenever you need to add a column. That covers everything you need to know.